welcome back to my channel. My name is Angie and I do videos about food. So testing food, cooking food, purchasing food, anything that has to do with food, I do it. Today I'm going to test out some popcorn. I'm very high on energy right now because I just talked to my mom on the phone and she had the girls, my nieces, and they were like so high energy that like now I'm very high energy. So this might be good. I'm gonna try out some popcorn today. I have Boom Chicka Pop Frosted Sugar Cookie popcorn, Boom Chicka Pop Hot Cocoa Marshmallow, White Chocolate and Peppermint, Dark Chocolate Flavored Drizzle Sea Salt. So all of these, Angie's is my favorite brand. All right, so I'm gonna try these out and let's see how they taste. And then I'll make my recommendations based on what they taste like. So the first one I'm gonna try is the white chocolate and peppermint. Oh my God. The peppermint's really, really strong. Oh my God. Yes. Oh, this is good. No, this is very good. Recommend it. So this is my number one for now. Let's put it right over. I'll use this. How about that? My number one. Put it right over here. It's my number one. So the next one is the Frosted Sugar Cookie. Let's taste it. Okay, this smells like caramel. Yeah, straight up like caramel, so. It's good, but there's something weird about it. I think because, you know how with caramel corn, it's like crunchy, like a nice crunch, and it's kind of hard. This one is very soft with the same exact flavor. So it's just, I think, a texture thing. It's not as crunchy as I want it to be. It's good. But it's not as good as this one. So this is my number one. And for now, this is my number two. All right, the next one I'm gonna try out is the Hot Cocoa Marshmallow. Let's see. This is weird, but let's try it out. Ooh, straight hot cocoa. Like straight up hot cocoa. Yeah. Oh, I hope you guys can see that. Wait, hold up. Whoa. This tastes just like hot cocoa. The chocolate, even the milk frothiness, and then the marshmallow at the end. This is really good. This is actually my number two. That's the standing right now. All right, let's take a look at this one. This, I think, is gonna be my favorite, I hope, which is just dark chocolate. Okay. Surprisingly, not much there. I guess it is just strictly dark chocolate that I'm tasting. Definitely like it better than the sugar cookie. But I don't think I like it more than the hot chocolate. Yeah. So here are my standings, people. White chocolate peppermint, #1, hands down. Hot cocoa marshmallow. Dark chocolate kettle corn is my #3. And then the last one is gonna be that sugar cookie one. But out of all these, my absolute favorite is still the original, like kettle and salt. What is it called? I don't know. I bought the huge pack of it at Costco. I think I have it in one of my videos, but that is my absolute favorite. These are pretty good, but they're not like amazing. I recommend, you know, if any of them during the holiday season, probably the white chocolate peppermint. Oh, it just smells so good. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe if you guys like content about food and tasting and cooking. Make sure you guys like the video if you guys want to see more taste tests, and recommend some stuff that you guys want me to taste. I'm pretty much open to taste anything. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.